Okay, so in this session, we are going to learn about the operators in C Sharp. So you can see we are having arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators. So arithmetic operation operators are plus, minus, division, multiplication, and modular. And comparison operators are like less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, equal to, equal to, not equal to. And logical operators are double and double or. Okay. We also have ternary operators. Okay. So ternary operators are like uh, question mark and colon. Okay, so these are the operators we can have in the C sharp. Now let's check the usage of each and every operator quickly. So see, let's work with the first of all arithmetic operators. Okay, so in the arithmetic operators, we can do the arithmetic operations. Like let's say I have one number. Okay, number is whatever number provided by user in the console. Okay, in this I want to do the plus operation or addition operation. Okay, so what I can do, I will just do like this console dot write line. I want to add 10 value in my number 10. Okay, so whatever number I will provide from the console, that number plus uh, my incremented 10 value. Okay, let's say this is a tax, right? So whatever bill you got from the hotel, let's say, so on top of that, you will get 18% of GST, 9 plus 9. So that GST amount we can calculate and do the plus, right? Plus to your current bill. So this bill amount, total amount plus your GST. So that will become your total bill amount. Got it? So this GST, we are basically adding into the current value by using the plus operator. Now let's understand what is operator. Operator is the symbol which will perform some operation on left side operand and right side operand. So there are two types of operands. Okay. So you can perform the operation on the operands by using the current operator. So there are these kind of operators we are having plus, minus, division, multiplication, and mod symbol, modulus. So this will basically perform the operation on left side operator, operand, and right side operands. These are the operands. This is the operator. Got it? So the operation will depends upon what symbol you are using. If you are using plus symbol, it will perform the addition operation. If you are using minus symbol, it will perform the subtraction operation. Same for division multiplication. If you are using modulus, it will perform the division operation and will get you the remainder of that operation. Okay, not the actual answer, but it will get you the remainder. So that is your operator and its operations on the operand. Okay. सी अभी यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है मान लो अभी मैंने एक नंबर लिया, उसको मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे एडिशन कर रहा हूँ. So what will be the output? Let's run this program. Enter any number. So let's say I have entered 50. So your output will be 60. Why? 10% GST. 10 rupees GST. So this kind of operation we can do by using the arithmetic operation. So we all already know, right? What is plus, what is minus, what is multiplication, and what is division. So this is not new for us. It is very basic mathematical problems, right? If I enter 50, it will become 40. Okay. So that is because of the minus operation. So same for division. Like if I have 4, 50 divided by 10, it should print 5. Okay. 50 divided by 10, it is 5. And now if I use multiplication, 50 into 10, it should print 500. Okay, so this is how we can work with the arithmetic operators in C sharp. There is a modulus operator also. Modulus operator basically return you the remainder. Like if I divide 30 divided by 10, it will return you remainder equal to 0 because 10 into 3 equal to 30. Okay, but if I make like 29 into 29 divided by 10, it will return you, sorry, what I'm doing, multiplication, right? I want modulus. Modulus will return you the remainder. Okay. So let's say I have 29 divided by 10, it will return you 9 because 10 into 2, 20, and remainder is 9. Got it? So modulus operator will basically provide you the remainder. So these are your arithmetic operators. Now let's work with the comparison operator. Comparison operators are, let's say I have two numbers, number 2, okay, and that number also I am getting from the end user. Enter any number, enter second number. Now I got number 1 and number 2. I wanted to use the comparison operator. What is the comparison? Number 1 is less than number 2. It will return you the true and false result. Okay. So I will enter two numbers and accordingly it will check if number 1 is less than number 2. If so, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Let's check. See, there are enter any number. I enter 10. Enter any number. I enter 2. So in this case, first number is less than second number. That means it should return true. See, it is returning true because of the less than operator. Now let's do the same operation but wrong values. Like I'm purposefully adding 20 here and 10 here. So in this case, 20 is not less than 10. In this case, it should return false. Got it? So this less than operator basically will help you to check the left side number and right side value and compare whether left side value is less than right side value. That's it. If this expression is true, it will return you the true result, otherwise false. Okay. It means all the comparison operators will return you result in a form of boolean. It can be true and false. Okay. अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, उल्टा कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. I want to see if first number is greater than second number. Okay, मैं रन करूँ इसको. Okay, enter any number. पहला नंबर मैंने डाला let's say 10. Second number मैंने डाला 20. What should it return? It should return false because first number is less than, not greater than. It is false. Okay. Now let's do vice versa. First number is 20. Second number is 10. It should return. Okay. I want to enter 20. 20, 10. It should return true, which is correct because of this greater than operator. Now greater than or equal to, this is or not and. Okay, greater than or equal to, if number is greater than, first number is greater than second number, it is true. Okay, but what if first and second number both are same, like first number is 10, second number is 10, what should it return? It should return true because if it is not greater, it should be equal to. Okay, it is not greater but it is equal to, that's why it is returning true. Got it? If it is less than second number, then only it will return false. Okay, and same case for less than equal to also. Okay, equal to means both numbers should be same. If we have equal to operators here, then you can see first number is 10, second number is 20, it will return false. But if you enter both the value are same, like first number is 10, second number is 10, it will return true. Okay. So why, the question is why we require true and false value. This will help you to put the condition in the if block. Let's say you want to apply some code on the basis of some condition. So in that case, you will require to put this condition into your if block. What is if? If else is a control statement. We will see that also in next session. Okay. So if else statement is basically a control statement which will help you to put some condition, and according to that, we can just execute the some C# statements or code. Okay. Now let's discuss about and. Okay. And means you can apply two different conditions. Like let's assume first number, let's assume the conditions like 10 is greater than 20. Okay, and number, first number should be 1. So these are the two conditions. Okay, two conditions. Let me get one number only. So there are two conditions I am checking. If both the condition are true, then true, otherwise false. Do you know that truth table 1 1 equal to 1? Okay, so this is the truth table for logical and. Okay, 1 1 equal to 1, then 1 0 equal to 0, then 0 1 equal to 1. then 0, 0 equal to 0. So this is the logical AND. Okay. Now let's talk about logical OR. Logical OR. In the case of logical OR, if it is 1 1, then it will be 1. If one condition is true, then it will be 1. Okay. If first condition true, second condition false, it will be 1. If first condition is false, second condition is true, it will be 1. If both the conditions are false, then only it will be false. This is your logical OR and this is your logical AND. In the engineering syllabus, MCA syllabus, BCA syllabus, you might heard about this. Okay, logical and logical OR. So it is very, very important while writing two different condition in the if block. If first condition, what is the first condition? 10 greater than 20. First condition is false, means this one, and number equal to 1. So number can have one value, okay, because user can enter 1 in the first number, but this will be always false. This is 10 greater than 20 is always false. So let's assume number is 1. So what will the condition here in the AND? First condition is 0, second condition is 1, means this one. If 0 1, then 0. 0 means false, 1 means true. Okay. If 0, then it will go for second condition. If 1, then it will print 0. 0 means false. Okay. So in this case, first condition itself is 0. So it will not even go for second condition because it is false only. But if you use OR here, okay, this is logical OR. If you use OR here, then it will check first condition is true or false. It is false. But it will check second condition true or false. It can be true because number can have the one value. So this is 0, this is 1. Let's check OR. 0, 1. What is the output? True. Okay, if at least one condition is true, either it is first condition or second condition, it will return you the true because of this logical OR table, because of this OR operator. But in a case of AND, if first condition is false and second condition is true, in that case, it will return false only because of the logical AND. Logical AND means both conditions should be true. Logical OR means at least one condition should be true to get the true result, otherwise false. Okay, so this is very important. Just try to understand what is logical AND, logical OR, and accordingly you can write any kind of conditions. You can write any number of conditions in if block. Okay, so this is your logical and OR. Let's check the output. If number equal to 10 equal to 10 and and number divided by 2 and equal to 0. Okay, not 10. If number is greater than 10. Okay, this is the condition. What is the condition? आपको ऐसा नंबर डालना है जो 10 से बड़ा होना चाहिए और वो नंबर्स इवन वैल्यू होनी चाहिए. So this, if both the conditions are matching, then only execute my code. So for that purpose, I will write the condition like this. क्या condition है? नंबर 10 से बड़ा होना चाहिए और इवन होना चाहिए. इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे एंड ऑपरेटर लिया क्योंकि मुझे दोनों कंडीशन चेक करने हैं. यहाँ पे ग्रेटर देन लिया क्योंकि मुझे 10 से बड़ा चाहिए. यहाँ पे मॉड मॉड ऑपरेटर लिया क्योंकि मुझे इवन नंबर चाहिए. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, नंबर को 2 से डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ और उसका आउटपुट 0 आना चाहिए. किसी भी नंबर को अगर 2 से डिवाइड किया, उसका आउटपुट 0 आया तो वो इवन होता है. किसी भी नंबर को 2 से डिवाइड किया, उसका आउटपुट 1 आया तो वो ऑड होता है. ओके, नाउ दिस कंडीशन विल हेल्प मी टू गेट द इवन नंबर ग्रेटर देन 10. ओके, लेट्स चेक. प्लीज एंटर एन नंबर. मैंने नंबर डाला, मान लो 55. तो क्या होगा, 55 इज अ ग्रेटर देन 10. दैट इज ट्रू, पहली कंडीशन ट्रू है. लेकिन 55 is not the even number, it is odd number. If you divide 55 by 2, you will get 1. So it is not even number, it should return false, right? This is false. अभी मुझे क्या करना है, ऐसा नंबर चाहिए कि जो 10 से बड़ा चाहिए और इवन भी चाहिए. मान लो 22. So 22 is a greater than 10 and it is a even number, it will return true. Okay, now ऐसा किया मैंने कि एक इवन नंबर डाला लेकिन वो 10 से छोटा है, जैसे कि 8. क्या होगा, दिस नंबर इज इवन, दैट इज ट्रू, बट दिस इज नॉट ग्रेटर देन 10, इट विल रिटर्न फॉल्स. गॉट इट? So this logical and will help you to put this kind of conditions in your if block to determine whether to execute your if block statements or not. ओके अगर आपने आपको किसी ने बोला कि भाई ये if ब्लॉक में जो मैं कोड लिखूंगा वो तभी एग्जीक्यूट होना चाहिए जब आपका नंबर 10 से बड़ा हो और वो इवन हो, ऐसे आपको रिक्वायरमेंट्स मिली। सो ये कहाँ पे गूगल पे सर्च मत करना, सिंपल लॉजिकल थिंग है कि भाई 10 से बड़ा होना चाहिए, आई विल गो विद द ग्रेटर देन ऑपरेटर। देन इवन होना चाहिए, ओके आई विल गो विद द मॉड्यूलस ऑपरेटर। दीज आर एंड दोनों दो कंडीशन बताइए आपने, ओके दोनों कंडीशंस कंपलसरी है, होना ही चाहिए। तो इन दैट केस गो विद द एंड ऑपरेटर। लेकिन अगर किसी ने ऐसा बोला कि नंबर एटलीस्ट 10 से बड़ा होना चाहिए, नहीं तो इवन होना चाहिए, मतलब क्या, आइदर इवन चाहिए नहीं तो 10 से बड़ा चाहिए, दोनों में से एक ही कंडीशन ट्रू चाहिए मेरे को। इन दैट केस यू कैन गो विथ लॉजिकल और। अभी अगर आप 8 डालोगे यहाँ पे, 8 ऐसा डालोगे तो ये ट्रू देगा। क्यों ट्रू देगा? क्योंकि ये 8 10 से बड़ा नहीं है, दैट इज फाइन, बट ये इवन है तो ये ट्रू देगा। Okay, so this kind of conditions you can basically write with the help of and operator and or operator. Okay, we'll go with ternary operator quickly. Okay, ternary operator क्या करता है, वे if else statement होता है कि भाई अगर नंबर 10 से बड़ा है, क्वेश्चन मार्क यहाँ पे प्रिंट करो, ग्रेटर देन 10, अगर नहीं है लोअर देन 10। ओके, तो ये हो गया आपका टर्नरी ऑपरेटर। ये क्या करता है, आपको एक कंडीशन के बेसिस पे आपका आउटपुट चेंज करने में मदद करता है। ये कंडीशन अगर ट्रू है तो ये प्रिंट होगा, ये कंडीशन अगर फॉल्स है तो ये प्रिंट होगा। देखो, if number is greater than 10 it will print greater than 10, okay, and if number is less than 10 then it will print less than 10, okay, lower nahi, less than 10, sorry, like this. Okay, so this ternary operator will help you. This is the combination of question mark and colon. This will help you to check whether condition is true, then execute first statement, otherwise second. That is your ternary operator. So these are the operators in C sharp. You can go through them and let me know if you have any questions. Okay, let me stop.